Morning, everybody! I'm on webcam and Alex is hiding in his blanket. I'm not gonna show you. Look, all of the trees are turning yellow and stuffs. It looks green on my screen. No, that's yellow. There with the sun behind it. Yellowy. Sunlight. Hi guys! Went to church and it was awesome. And now we're out of church. It took a month before everybody was like, oh, you cut your hair, you cut your hair. I'm like, it's been cut. How have you not noticed this? It's been cut for a month. I chopped it off on the 1st. Now they're all noticing it. Crazy people. Cupcake Pop-Tart. Bite right there. Not a little bite. You take a bite. Good girl. And then think those rainbow cupcakes. Told ya. See? And you were so scared. You're like, I don't want to do. Before I forget, I want to tell you guys, I had this weird dream last night. Apparently my dreams have shifted from having Tobuscus in them to having Jack's films in them. Because last night I was like doing something and then, like in my dream, I was doing something and then I had to clean out a backyard or something, and then all of a sudden it was this get together and there were tables and stuff and Jack's films was there and some other person, I don't remember. The other person was like lying on the table. Jack was sitting at the head of the table. And I pulled out my camera to start recording, but I had it down low because nobody else had cameras for some reason. There was only like half a dozen of us there. And it was some kind of like special name got drawn to have a lunch picnic with him or something, I don't know. And then he saw that I was recording and he's like, oh my gosh, and he got all excited and he was like, I need to give you a hug, and then he hugged me and it was weird. That's all I can remember, but it was odd. I don't normally have dreams about I've never had a dream about him. And I haven't even watched any of his videos in like ages, so I don't know what that was about, but I wanted to tell you guys before I forgot. Because now I'm gonna go and edit some stuffs, because I recorded like 4 pastas the other night and I'm gonna edit them. I edited 1 yesterday and I'm working on another one today, and hopefully I'll get all 3 of the other ones today. And then I did a bunch of poetry ones when I got home from church, so I'll edit those later today too. So, last night, Alex said that I have to do a Kumihimo bracelet today. So I found the thingy last night when I was on call. It's these things, the ones with that, and you guys remember how it took me forever to find this thing? Well, apparently I have to attempt to make one today. So I'm going to be doing that in a little bit after I write up another sermon notes thing for my blog channel. My live journal account thing, you know, my main blog that, yeah. It's starting to look really good, guys. That's how much I've gotten so far, see? I've been working on this. It's a lot because it's a lot of strings. It's 16 strings, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. It looks cool. I know this is going to be a really, really dumb thing to share, but I need to share this. The incense that I burned, it broke apart, like, in the dust, like the ash from it is like perfect. Like it didn't break off in like chunks like the other ones did. So I'm like, oh, that's so cool. I don't know why, but I'm just like, ah, it's cool. I kind of want to be like, whew, blow it everywhere, but then I'd sneeze forever. Well, go on, Snickers, eat it. I don't want you to get that bad. Shh, it's okay. I'm trying to angle the camera for you guys without having to work and stuff. There. It's behind you. Here, see? Look, he's over here. Don't poop on me. Eat your food. Eat your food. There you go. Chicken. Don't give me that look. Hi guys, yeah, I'm doing my first attempt at a Kumihimo, and someone told me that I had to record it. So you guys get to watch as I fight with strings as they knot up and stuff, as I figure out how to do this. And I can tell already this probably isn't going to work, seeing as the strings are very loose on this thing. Oh well, it's the first attempt, so whatever. Yeah. Just trying to figure this out. Okay. And then directly across is two more green. Anyways, I won't make you guys watch the whole thing. I'll speed this up so that you don't have to sit here being bored while I struggle.
There's crack in this shield, suggests a fuse. I'll never be real. The explosion's ticking down. Holding out here with my upside frown. With this in hand, one small motion, and you're just an head full of lies. Unknown of disdain, and you're just fine. They say it's about who you know, but all I know is you. You're black in my eyes so that I can't see the truth. You've darkened the night, so now it is hard to see anything past me yet.
Hi guys. Okay, that totally didn't work. And then I tried it with a smaller one. Still didn't work, so I just gave up on it. The wheel, the notches on the wheel are not small enough to hold the strings taut, so it doesn't work. So I have to figure something out. I don't know. But I'm really super tired, so I think I'm gonna just go to bed now. So yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful night, / morning, / whatever it is, wherever you are. I'll see you all tomorrow. Good night.
I've got you to be right. All my life, I've been waiting for you. All my life, I didn't know what to do. Now it's right. I've got you, it's clear. All my life, I've got you to be here.
Like the light across the ocean waves, by your side I'd lie for 1,000 days. Keep it bright, your soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.